Calculating descriptive statistics in Stata is easier if you're familiar with how to use and or type commands within Stata. As an example, we're going to look at how to create composite outcomes. The first composite outcome we're going to look at is going to be defined as 1 if a patient had a stroke and died, and 0 otherwise. The outcome is technically death by stroke. We have indicators in the data set of death and of stroke, and we need to combine these by using an AND command to make an indicator of whether a patient died due to a stroke. We're going to create our composite outcome and make it equal to 1 if the patient died, so death equals 1, and the patient had a stroke, so stroke equals 1. The important thing to note here is the use of one AND sign to create a variable that is defined as 1 if a patient both died and had a stroke. For those patients who didn't have this composite outcome, we can use the replace command to assign them zeros. They're going to be defined as 0 if either they did not die or they didn't have a stroke. To say that someone died, we could say if death is not equal to 1, or is defined as 1 vertical bar, and then if they didn't have a stroke, we would say stroke not equal to 1. So the important thing to note here is not equals can be denoted with an exclamation point and 1 equals sign. And additionally, if we want to make an or statement, we can use 1 vertical bar. If I run the table command on death, stroke, and the composite outcome, I see that my composite is only defined as 1 for those patients who died and had a stroke. So I've defined my composite outcome correctly.